How to sign up in Firebase Studio account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up in Firebase Studio. Firebase Studio is Google's next generation browser-based development environment that streamlines building web and mobile applications by combining AI, cloud hosting, and deep Firebase integration all in one platform. In order to create an account on Firebase Studio, you will need to use your Google account. For that, open a web browser on your device and in the search bar here type in studio.firebase.google.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press on the enter button to search for it. Now, within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Firebase. Once you reach to this page, you'll be able to see this pop-up. Here now, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions of Firebase. Simply click on this checkbox right here in order to do so. Also, if you'd like to receive email updates from Firebase Studio, then click on this checkbox that says I want to receive. Also, if you are interested in participating in research studies, then you may click on this checkbox at the bottom. If not, simply click on it to uncheck the box. Now, after doing that, click on this confirm button right here. Once after that, you will see you have successfully created an account on Firebase Studio. If you are not logged into your Google account, you will be prompted to sign in to your Google account. And if you don't have one, you will need to create a Google account first. Now once you are signed in, you can now start a new project by describing your app idea or selecting a framework to begin prototyping with AI Assistant. Also, Firebase Studio runs entirely in your browser, so installation is not required. And this process gives you immediate access to the full cloud-based development environment which are integrated with Firebase services. So, this is how you can sign up on Firebase Studio. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.